Hello, dear friends! Egypt International Airshow will be held in Egypt from 3rd to 5th September of the 2024 at Alamein International Airport. The event aims to accelerate industrialization, digitalization and the globalization in the defense, space and commercial aviation sectors in Africa and the Middle East. The show will feature aircraft displays and an exhibition of an innovative airspace products and services. Egypt International Airshow will provide outstanding opportunities for companies specializing in the military technologies and services. At Egypt International Airshow this year, Rosoboronexport joint stock company will present Russian products for the most relevant segments of the global arms market today. The company's exhibit is based on the latest weapons and weapon systems developed by the leading Russian defense manufacturers that are in demand among foreign partners. Let's begin with our Air Force means. The first star is the Ka-52E Combat Scout Attack helicopter that has undergone a deep modernization based on the results of its combat employment in various military conflicts. It has high-performance characteristics, unique maneuverability and controllability. It is equipped with modern avionics, weapons and a set of survivability equipment. The helicopter can be successfully operated in hot climate, desert, and mountainous areas. To engage a wide range of ground, surface and low-altitude air targets, the helicopter is equipped with a powerful armament system with various armament configurations depending on the assigned tasks. The maximum weight of the combat payload is 2,942 kilos. One of the most advanced weapons is the 305E light multipurpose guided missile of an increased range, up to 14.5 kilometers, with the 25 kilos warhead. It can destroy both moving and stationary targets with the operator's adjustment at the final stage of flight. The helicopter is also equipped with the President S self-defense suite and is the only helicopter in its class fitted out with the emergency escape system, which provides ejection and the safe landing of the crew by parachute. Multifunctional system with Orlan 10E UAV provides aerial reconnaissance of enemy targets for output of target designation data to strike weapons and adjusting their fire in tactical and operational depth day and night in simple and adverse weather conditions. It can be used for air patrolling of designated areas, reconnaissance of landing areas and movement routes of terrorist groups, as well as searching aircraft and helicopter in distress. The UAV can carry a payload of up to 4.5 kilos. Patrol time is not less than 10 hours. Takeoff from a catapult. Landing by parachute. The UAV is equipped with a high-precision navigation system, an autopilot and a secure radio link for control and information transmission. Payload options include photo and video cameras for daytime shooting, a thermal imager for night, equipment for radio monitoring, and detection of radio-emitting objects. Another military asset I would like to tell you about is the Orlan 30 system with UAVs that is intended to provide aerial reconnaissance, detection and identification of moving and stationary objects in visual and infrared ranges in simple and harsh weather conditions, determination of objects' coordinates, and data transmission in a near real time. Moreover, its key feature is to provide laser illumination with the laser rangefinder target designator that ensures application of high-precision weapons with the laser guidance system. One more is the newest Russian-made air weapon Ha-69 air-to-surface cruise missile for fitting out fifth-generation fighters to ensure high combat potential. The Ha-69 missile is designed to engage a wide range of fixed targets, including those that do not have radar, infrared and optical contrast to surroundings, with known location coordinates, no information science of the target area. The Ha-69 has a possibility of internal and external disposal. Now I suggest that we moved on to the next part of the review. Air defense assets. Panzer S-1M air defense missile and gun system is designed to carry out air defense of small-sized military, including mobile, administrative and industrial facilities and areas from aircraft, helicopters, cruise missiles, different type UAVs, single MLRS shells, operational tactical missiles, guided air bombs, and other high-precision weapons. One combat vehicle uses both missile and gun weapons and is capable of simultaneously firing 4 air targets. Panzer S-1M is engaging air targets with SAMs at the ranges of from 1,200 meters to 30 kilometers, altitudes of from 15 meters to 18 kilometers. SAM ammunition load of one combat vehicle is 12. The gun's engagement range is from 200 meters to 4 kilometers. The altitude is up to 3 kilometers. There are up to 1,400 shots charged. The newest short-range intercept missile TKB-1055 is designed for the engagement of a wide range of air targets, including unmanned aerial vehicles at the ranges of from 500 meters to 7 kilometers and altitudes from 15 meters to 5 kilometers. With the help of this missile and a special transition block, the SAM ammunition of one combat vehicle can be increased up to 48 missiles that allows Panzer S-1M to repel massive attacks of UAVs for a long time. The next item is Verba man-portable air defense system that is designed to destroy jet, turboprop, and propeller-driven aircraft, cruise missiles, helicopters, and UAVs in the conditions of their direct visibility on head-on and pursuit courses, in natural and artificial thermal interference. Verba manpad's engagement zone in range is from 500 meters to 6 kilometers, altitude from 10 meters to 3.5 kilometers. The main advantage of the manpads is the presence of a 3-spectrum homing head, due to which the system is highly resistant to interference and has increased capabilities for engaging targets with the low level of thermal radiation. In order to strengthen the anti-UAV system, we propose the effective airspace control system that is designed to provide detection and tracking of UAVs and small-sized aircraft. It is used for the airspace control to further prevent their misuse and reduce possible risks of their application for citizens, property and infrastructure, as well as to minimize the risks of mid-air collisions and reduce the negative impact of UAVs on the urban infrastructure. The detection range of a small-sized aircraft is 30 kilometers, micro-UAV 4 kilometers. The RB504PE anti-UAV countermeasure set is designed to detect UAVs in the spatial sector of 360 degrees in azimuth and from 0 to 40 degrees in elevation, as well as to create radio-electronic interference to control data transmission and satellite navigation channels of UAVs at ranges of at least 1.8 kilometers. The set can provide omnidirectional electronic suppression for the effective counteraction to a swarm of UAVs. Rosoboronexport's digital platforms will help you to immerse yourself in the atmosphere of the airshow. To obtain more detailed information about the items presented at Egypt International Airshow, visit the official site of the company, Rosoboronexport channels on YouTube and RuTube, as well as on social networks.